Main points of anticipation and safe positioning. I would like you to read loudly all the main points which is coming up next, which will help you to memorize them and to remind you when you are taking your driving lessons, particularly for this area, which is anticipation and the safe positioning. Very easy. So let's go towards two main points. A recap, as we previously have covered, moving away safely and stopping safely. Prepare, observe, move, mirror, signal, maneuver. These routines are very vital and very important for every driving lessons you want to do it. So you always remember these routines, which is prepare, observe, move, mirror, signal, maneuver for anything which you like to do it. Let's go towards to our driving lessons for positioning safely and anticipation. Driving lessons for anticipation and safe positioning. Now each time I will show you how to prepare the car so you never forget. So let's prepare the car, which is brake, bring the gear stick to the drive all the way. Once it's in a drive, handbrake down, and let's look around from left shoulder, left mirror, back, front, right mirror, and the right shoulder. Anticipation. Now in this situation you must keep a safe distance from the curb or a parked cars and look well ahead. Plan ahead. Now you need to make yourself in a correct lane discipline position so you are in your particular lane. Before you enter any area, ask yourself, is it safe space for me to pass through? If it is not, slow down and prepare to stop by checking your mirrors, which is MSM routine. Mirror, signal, maneuver, which is MSM you need to use while you're driving. When you're driving, ask yourself, maybe could any car doors might open when you are passing any parked cars. Look well ahead for the safe and same time planning. Maybe other cars may move away without giving a signal or without giving you enough time. Ask yourself, I'm looking far ahead, scanning the road. Look 20 to 30 cars ahead, depending on your speed. Look for the junctions. Maybe the people maybe cross the roads before the junction, sometime between the parked cars. Look well ahead. Ask yourself enough space. Look for the junctions, which junctions might be coming ahead. Vehicle may emerge from junction without informing you. Ask yourself, there's any safe for me to come back to my lane. Keep always in your lane. Keep in the middle of your lane. Wider road, keep 1 meter away from the curb, 1 meter from a cyclist. Passing obstructions, use MSM routine. So this is the anticipation and the safe positioning driving lessons. Examiner's instructions and a direction. As the test start, examiner will tell you follow the road ahead, keep a safe distance and well plan ahead. And if them examiner want you to give you any direction, they tell you in a plenty of time. So it's mean that you're keeping a safe distance from the parked cars while you are passing through. Examiner as such will not tell you watch out the car, watch out the people, watch out the junctions when the cars are moving or the cars are passing through. It is your responsibility at that time when you're in the test to show that you're keeping a safe distance. So I hope it will help you. Let's go to the next section. Highway code rules. In a rule number 160, it's mentioned that once moving away you should keep to the left unless road signs or a marking indicate otherwise. The exemptions are when you want to overtake, turning right or passing parked vehicles or pedestrians in the road. Keep well to the left of the road or when you're approaching the bend. It's mentioned all these things which you have to keep yourself safer from the road. So this is the section which mentioned in highway code. Once again, please Google the highway code, download the highway code and please read about it, and it's very helpful for every sort of driving. Let's go to the next section. The driving test report explained. This is the one of the important sheet or a document which I like to share with you. Few of the instructors, they don't like to share with you, but I like to share with every single of my student to know them what they're going to face. This is the sheet where the examiner marks you while you having a test with the examiner. In this particular section called anticipation and the safe positioning, which will be marked in a section called clearance or obstructions. Now in this section you need to understand that you particularly important, you are showing yourself how you keeping yourself safe from the parked vehicle and other road users. Let me read it out for you what exactly examiners are looking for in clearance. You should have given parked vehicle and other obstructions enough space to pass safely. You need to watch out for the changing situations such as pedestrians walking out from between parked cars, door opening and the vehicle trying to move off. You should have been prepared to slow down or stop if needed. Now we have completed whole aspect of anticipation and the safe positioning. I want you to keep practicing with your instructor. Same time, watch this, make a notes of it and keep practicing. I will see you in the next video for the driving lessons.